After years of speculation, the Jollof debates between Ghana and Nigeria have culminated in this. Now the moment has arrived when the scores of this discussion are set for each country. But just before you hastily grab your team jersey, ponder for a second. Get a tall glass of cold water, kick back, and let's contemplate this food duel from the core. We are about to uncover the ingredients that go into making Jollof rice from both nations, and the individual tastes that set it apart from the other. It goes beyond rice. It's about spices, culinary techniques, and the love and pride infused into every dish. The essence of Nigerian Jollof is a wealthy and bold flavor that intermingles beautifully, making the dish one of a kind. The party Jollof excels at catering rich flavors, weaved intricately with an exquisitely smoky aroma, and is one of the main highlights of the dish. This flavor is attributed to the unique cooking technique. Nigerians are known for cooking jollof on an open flame or using a grill. This method adds depth and smokiness to the rice. The jollof is cooked in such a way that a little bit of rice always sits at the bottom of the pot and is slightly burned. The charred rice creates a crispy texture to the dish and adds even more flavor, making it even more appreciated. Grab your pen and paper for the best tips and guidance. The base starts with a blend of tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers that are pureed to form a smooth sauce, then cooked down until thick and flavorful. Seasonings play a huge role in giving Nigerian Jollof its characteristic spiciness. Ingredients such as Scotch bonnet peppers, thyme, curry powder, bay leaves, and even chicken or beef stock are included to intensify the taste. The rice, often parboiled, is then combined with the rich spicy sauce and left to cook slowly, absorbing all the delicious flavors. Nigerian Jollof is bold, it's fiery, and it's unapologetically smoky. The dish does not refrain from the spice, flavor, nor the heat. In the end, the rice is tender, but often has a slightly firmer bite, with each grain packed with flavor. The smokiness of the dish gives it the perfect setting for celebration or for any kind of party. Moving on to Ghanaian Jollof, it is prepared in a little bit different way. The combination of flavors is still present and robust, but the Ghanaian version of Jollof rice is known for its finer and smooth texture. It may not be as assertive or charcoal-like as the Nigerian version, but makes up for it with its nuances and equilibrium. If Nigerian Jollof is compared to a fiery festival of flavors, Ghanaian Jollof is a carefully crafted symphony that has been refined and perfected. Here comes the secret behind the symphonic flavor. Just like in the Nigerian variant, the base used to prepare the sauce is made from tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. But in the case of the Ghanaian Jollof, there is generally an initial reduction in the amount of pepper used during the cooking stage. Instead, the spice is packed in the form of ginger, cloves, and cinnamon that add fragrant sweetness. The rice is prepared with stock cubes, vegetable broth, and sometimes a pinch of sugar to supplement the slightly acidic taste of the tomatoes. This is what sets it apart from Nigerian Jollof. One key difference is that Ghanaian Jollof is typically cooked on a lower heat and doesn't require the same open flame technique as the Nigerian variety. As a result, less of the characteristic smoky flavor is achieved. However, this does not detract from the incredible depth of taste. When it comes to the soft and easily separable grains of rice within the Ghanaian Jollof, it creates a much smoother dish overall. It is a perfect blend of sweet, savory, and subtle spices, bringing more depth of flavor. Final outcome. It has a uniquely mild, sweet, and spicy taste, and the Jollof rice is soft and well cooked. This is perfect for someone who loves Jollof in a more gentle and sophisticated manner, but still explodes with taste. Resolving the Jollof discussion is far from simple. The Nigerian version of Jollof is the fiery, sultry, spice-filled one that grabs your attention right away. It is a favorite during large, celebratory social events. It's also the most complex in taste with the weakest and crispiest bottom. On the other hand, the Ghanaian Jollof is the flavor that goes in hard but classy, with its weaker sweet profile and smooth, creamy texture. Culturally, how do you take it? Deep, smoky and spicy, robust flavors, or a more refined and sweeter undertone of the dish? Each country brings unique contributions that should not be neglected. So, which faction do you fall under? Do you prefer the flavorful but smooth approach of Team Ghana, or the aggressiveness of Team Nigeria, where smoky rice combined with spices takes center stage? At the end of the day, food lovers are the real winners because both nations have mastered their own class of jollof. And whether you prefer party jollof or the more sophisticated brand, there's one indisputable fact. The jollof conflict may never push towards a resolution, but that's no problem. There's plenty of space to accommodate both options.
If you like this video, give this video a like, comment, share to help others, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. A candle loses nothing if it is used to light other candles. Thanks for watching. Tales and Facts World.